In this video, we're diving into AITAH for refusing to give out my son's saving account informatio. Whether you're new to AI or looking to deepen your understanding, this breakdown will give you everything you need to know. First, let's establish the basics of AITAH for refusing to give out my son's saving account informatio. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial before you move forward. This sets the foundation for everything else in this video. Next, we'll look at the practical applications. How does AITAH for refusing to give out my son's saving account informatio actually work in real-world scenarios? This is where things get interesting, because you'll see exactly how this applies to your own work and projects. Finally, here are some key takeaways about AITAH for refusing to give out my son's saving account informatio. The most important thing to remember is to start experimenting. You'll learn best by doing, so pick one aspect covered in this video and try it out. That covers the essentials of AITAH for refusing to give out my son's saving account informatio. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more deep dives into trending topics. Let me know in the comments what aspect you're most interested in exploring further.